Question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper of each blade. Length of wiper. Length of wiper is equal to 25 centimeter. And angle made by wiper, each wiper is 115 degree. Find the total area clean. Find total area clean at each sweep of blade. At each sweep of blades. Means this is a car mirror. One wiper makes this angle and one wiper makes this angle. So here theta is given to you 115 degree. Theta is given to you 115 degree. And length of this blade R is equal to 25 centimeter. So how much area is clean? Area of two sectors. Area of two sectors. So total area clean is equal to 2 into area of sector. So 2 into pi r square theta upon 360. This means 2 into 22 upon 7. R is 25 into 25 into theta 115 upon 360. Cut with 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are 35 and 2. Again cut with 2, 36 and 11. So it becomes, again cut with 2, it is 18. So it is 11 into 25 into 25 is 625 into 23 upon 7 into 18 centimeter is square. Multiplied 11 into 23, you will get 253 into 625 upon 7 into this, 7 into 18, 56, 126 centimeter is square. If you multiplied it, you will get 158125 upon 126 centimeter square. 158125 centimeter square. Question number 12. Question number 12. Two warm ships of underwater rocks, a lighthouse spread a color of light over a sector at angle of 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. See, this is a lighthouse spreading a light. This is 16.5 kilometer distance and angle is 18 kilometer. So how much area is covered? How much area is covered? So use pi is equal to 3.14. So this much area is covered, means area of sector. Area of sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Use pi 3.14. R is this and theta is this. R is 16.5 kilometer. 16.5 kilometer. 80 upon 360 into 100 down into 10 into 10. This 0 cut. Now if you solve it, you will get It is in kilometer square. It is 189.25 kilometer square. $189.97. Now, question number 13. Question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design. These 6 equal design 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and like that. This is 6 equal designs. This is center. So this divide here theta is what? 6 डिजाइन है तो थीटा कितना हो जाएगा 360/6. थीटा is 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree and radius is given to you 28 centimeter. Cost of design, cost of making design 1 centimeter square cost rupees 0.35 rupees. 1 centimeter square cost rupees 0.35. So area of one design is equal to area of segment. See here, area of one design. ये one design है. Total कितनी design है 6. So area of one design is equal to area of segment. So area of one design is equal to area of one segment. So area of minor segment क्या हो जाएगा? Segment means minor segment. Pi r square theta upon 360 minus half r square sin theta. 22/7 into r is 28 into 28 into theta is 60/360 minus half 28 into 28 into sin 60. Sin 60. Theta is 60. So it becomes 6 से इसको काट दीजिए. So it is 22 upon इसको फिर काट दीजिए 11 और 3. So it becomes 11 into 28 into 28 upon 21. ये अगेन कटेगा 7 से. इसको पूरा काट दीजिए 7 4 जा है ना. तो ये हो गया 44 into 28 upon 3 माइनस इसको काट दीजिए 14 into 28 into √3 upon 2. √3 upon 2. You will take √3 is equal to 1.7 ले लीजिए. If you solve it, you will get, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आएगा 410.6 और इसको सॉल्व करेंगे √3 ले लेंगे 1.7 तो you will get 333.2 centimeter square and final you will minus it, you will get 77.46 centimeter square. So cost of this is one design. So area of this is one design. ये एक डिजाइन की है. So area of 6 design is equal to 6 into 77.46. You will get 464.76 centimeter square. Cost of making design बनाने में कितना खर्च हुआ 0.35 into 464.76 rupees. तो कितने रुपीस आ गया? इफ यू मल्टीप्लाइड इट यू विल गेट 162.66 rupees.